In this video, we are going to cover the operators in Kotlin. So I have already listed the type of operators and the operators here. So the first type of operators are arithmetic operators. So here is the list of arithmetic operators. The first one is the addition. So whenever I use the plus sign, we are going to use it for addition. So the addition can be of two integers, or it can be of two strings also. It is known as string concatenation, and we will be knowing about it in a while. So another arithmetic operator is the minus sign or the subtraction. So it is a subtraction operator. When I use it, it generally subtract one integer from other or one variable from other. Okay, the other is the multiplication operator. Okay, it is self-explanatory. So when I use it, it is used to multiply the data type. The other is division data type. So whenever I use the division operator, so whenever I use the slash, so it generally means that we have to divide one variable from other. So here interesting part is the percentage sign or the modulus operator. So the modulus operator returns the remainder. So I'll just make a function and explain all this to you. So I will create a value a equals to 15 and b equals to 5. Okay, so I'll just print all these the result of all these operators. So a plus b, and I'll just copy it. Okay, so plus minus multiplication, division, and the modulus operator. So you can already guess the result, and we will be seeing it in a while. So the result of this will be 20, the result of this will be 10, the result of this will be 15 into 5, the result of this will be 15 divided by 5, that is 3. What will be the result of this? The result of this will be 0. So it returns uh, the remainder when a is divided by v. So I'll just, so these are explainable. What I'll do is I'll make it 17 here and run the program again. So now what will be the the result, the printed? So it is 2. So when 17 is divided by 5, it is 3 times 5 plus 2. So the remainder is 2. So the result of the modulus operator is 2. Okay, I hope it is clear. So moving on, we have comparison operators. So okay, before that, okay, so we have comparison operators. So the first one is the less than sign. So whenever a is less than b, so I'll just make. So can you guess what will be the result of an comparison operator? It will be a boolean. So whenever I'll compare a less than b, okay, so when I run this program, what will be the result? Is a is less than b? No. So the result will be false. Okay, so mostly the result of the comparison operator is a boolean. So first is less than operator, second is the greater than operator, third is the less than or equals to operator. Okay, fourth is the greater than or equal to operator. This is the equal to operator. So it's check whether a is equals to b or not. Is equal to operator. This is not equal to operator. So when I define both as 5 and 5, and when I do this println a is equals to b, so what will be the result? What will be the output? So the output would be true as a is equals to b. Okay, so these are the comparison operators. Now we will move on to the uh, assignment operator. So we have already used assignment operator here. Okay, so the assignment operator used here is the equal to operator. Okay, we have also plus equal to, minus equal to, into equal to, divided by equal to, and modulus equal to. Okay, so what are the basic functionality of this? So I'll explain that. So what if I create a variable x which is equals to a, which is equals to a. Okay, so I can do that. Now I'll print the value of println x. Okay, now what I will do is I'll assign x as x plus equals to a, and now I'll print the value of x. What I'll do is now I'll assign x as x minus equals to a, and now I'll print the value of x. Now x into equals to a, and now print the value of x. Now x divided by equals to a. Okay, so you can guess the result, or we will see them and then I'll explain them to you. So the results are 5, 10, 5, 25, 5, 0. Okay, so first was x equals to a, the println x. So the value of a was 5 basically. So here x is equals to 5. Okay, so here the value of x was 5. So what I did is I did x plus equals to a. So this basically means that x should be equal to x plus a. Okay, so the value of x was 5 and I reassigned the value of x as x plus a. So the value of x here would be 10. Okay, I hope it was clear to you. So the basically the meaning of x plus equals to a is x equals to x plus a. Okay, so the value of x was already 5 and I here reassigned the value of x as x plus a. So 5 plus 5, that is 10. Now here the value of x is 10, and this implies that x should be equals to x minus a. Okay, so x was 10 and a was 5, so I reassigned the value of x as 10 minus 5. So here the value of x should be 5. Okay, and we can check that also. So here the value of x is 5 and I reassign the value of x such that x should be equal to x into a. So x is 5, a is 5, so here the reassigned value of x should be 25. Okay, so it is pretty easy and interesting, and I hope that should be clear to you. So here the value of reassigned value of x should be x divided by a. So x was 25, a was 5, so the new value of x should again be 5. Okay, and we are also seeing that it is true. Now it means that the reassigned value of x should be the remainder when x is divided by a. So now x is 5, a is also 5, the remainder is 0 when x is divided by a. So here the reassigned value of a is 0. Okay, so we have now completed the arithmetic, comparison and the assignment operator. Now we will move on to the increment and the decrement operator. So what I'll do is I'll just here what is the value of x? X is 0. Okay, so now what I'll do is I'll just increase the value of x as x plus plus. Okay, and then I'll print the value of x, and then I'll do x minus minus, and then again print the value of x. Okay, so when I have to comment this all out, okay, no problem. When if I have to comment all this out, so what I can do is I can just press control and the slash button, so it is all commented out. Okay, so the value of x is a and it is 5, so value of x is 5. When I run this program, so the uh, output is 6 and 5. So here the value of x was 5 and I did x plus plus, I incremented the value of x and then printed it, so it is 6, and then I decremented the value of x and then printed it, so it is 5. Okay, so I hope that all is clear to you, and before the video ends, I like you to make a program that that prints the sum of two number. Okay, I hope that would be easy, and you will do it. Sum of the that prints the sum of two numbers. Okay, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed and learned. Thank you.